Oh, look, it's a sea turtle. And all these fishes are cleaning the sea turtle's backs while it swims. Oh no! Is that a seashell or a rock? Or I have no idea. Hey, look! The sea turtle is rolling it! It's bouncing up and down, and now it's eating it. Yummy. My goodness, it just keeps rolling. Okay, come on, sea turtle, do something else. It's flying away. Let it go. Now it's following other sea turtles. Oh, it needs to breathe air. Sea turtles need to breathe every so often. What's that? The butt? Oh, it's mating. This is how sea turtles mate. They have one head up above the water and then the other one is just in the females. Hey, watch out there. That's what the other sea turtle said. Be careful, I'm very gentle. Please don't harm me. Okay, now it's complete. Look, a shark. The sea turtle doesn't give a fuck though. Go, sea turtle, go. The sharks are very peaceful. Not all sharks are very violent. Look, this one's just swimming gracefully. Sharks are such graceful swimmers. Look, these fishes are also helping out the sharks by cleaning its skin. Wow, it's so fascinating. Is this shark foraging for food in the coral? The fishes are just swimming like they don't see the shark. Fish is not on the menu tonight, guys.